Alright, since I was sitting here, I decided to do a shout out video. Why not, you know? So, big ups to all my family. I already explained that in a different video. All my people in Lancaster, I love y'all. Oh my god, I miss y'all. But y'all still in Lancaster. Lancaster is not the place to be right now. I'm just saying, I'm not coming back. Don't expect me to come back, alright? You will not see Anthony back in Lancaster, alright? Sorry. My people in Centennial, I love y'all too. All people on my top 8, you already know that. Y'all automatic shout outs, you know? Pedro, just because he lost touch don't mean nothing, you know? Zach, just because he lost touch don't mean nothing, you know? Like I was saying, who should I shout out to? Mary, John, Skylar. I should start saying names, yo. Who else do I know? Amanda, top of the dome. Sorry if I forget you. Deja, we'll say Deja. We'll say Faye. We'll say. In the mood like yes, y'all. Woo, it's harder than you think, people. Who else do I know? Sorry if I forgot you. That's my fault. I'll make a part 2 shout out for people I forgot. Alright?